Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace or clean the cabin air filter on Toyota RAV4. Okay, that model right here, that generation. We detailed that one at the shop, guys. Did an amazing job, shampoo the carpets, the seats. It looks good, but it still smells a little bit like cigarettes because they smoked in it. When you turn the AC on, you can smell it out of the vents. So now we're going to remove the cabin air filter, clean it and spray it so it doesn't smell bad, and we'll recommend to replace it if you could. So what you need to do, guys, you need to open the glove box, and in the glove box now it's actually located behind the glove box, the cabin air filter, so you need to empty everything because we'll be pulling it out. Okay, so what you need to do now, this is the stop that prevents the glove box from going down too fast, so you need to push those in and pull that one out, okay, this way. And now what you need to do right here, you need to squish towards each other. There is two stops, okay, like that. The one's right here and one on the other side. And you can just let the glove box down now. And let me show you where the filter is located. It is right here behind that cover, and it says it has an arrow up. So you need to remember that. And now you push this one in like that, and you can remove the cap. And now the filter is with the arrow up right here, so you need to memorize that, not to put it the wrong way. And you pull it out, and you see how bad that thing is. Okay, look at how nasty that is. Okay, that's cigarette smell and cigarette smoke, so that definitely need to be replaced. And you can see how nasty that thing is. We'll definitely advise the customer to replace it, but until then we'll clean it for them with the vacuum. It will look a lot better. And if you get Febreze now, you spray it really good and you'll kill that bad smell until you replace it, and you'll make the car smell like new again. And now you just put it back together. You need to remember that arrow right here, the arrow that's pointing up, needs to show. Okay, stay like that, up. And then you need to put the lid on it, just like that. And after that, the glove box, you just push it in, it goes in like that, and you need to install the stop on it like that. And that's the whole procedure, guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.